It's here. It's finally happening. Black Friday is upon us, and it is time to get moving if you haven't already put some things in place. Hello and welcome to AMZ Unlocked. I am Kimberly Locke, and today we are going to be talking about what you need to be doing right now this week. Black Friday is just hours away, so let's dive in and find out what you need to do to create a fantastic start to your holiday shopping season. All right, so Thanksgiving is this Thursday. That is not far off. You need to get moving, but it's not too late. Don't feel like you've missed the boat if you haven't done anything yet. Put on some bows, put on some lights, some great holiday video, and get things looking ready for the holidays. Then let's get started with some email campaigns. If you have an email list for your customers, which you should, it is not too late to create a coupon code specific for them. Now, at this stage, if you have not already created a deal with Amazon, you've missed the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend for that. But you can still put coupons on. Still put those coupons on and get those badges. And so this is a really great tip. If you want to create a stack of those colorful banners that are on your listing that will really draw the eye of your shoppers, do this. Go to advertising and create a coupon. Depending on your niche, a percentage off or a dollar amount off would be best. You can look and see what everyone else is doing and what's going to work best for you. And there's some psychology behind that. If you're going to do 10% and 10% works out to be, $2, well, then I would definitely put the 10% versus the $2 off, because it's just going to be more psychologically appealing to your shoppers. But in addition to that, go back to your advertising menu and go to promotions. Under your promotions menu, select create a promotion and pick percentage off. When you get into your promotion screen for that, it's very simple. Under the percentage off promotion, you can select for the buyer purchases at least this quantity of items, select 2. Then select under purchased items, ASIN list, and enter the ASINs you want this to apply to. Then buyer gets percentage off, enter that amount. Set your budget so you're not going to run out of funds to fund this promotion. And then under tiers, you can create an additional tier. So you can create buyer gets 10% off if they purchase 2. They get 15% off if they purchase 3. This is a great way to increase your average order value, and each of these will show up as a different coupon banner on your listing. Now, if you don't have an email list, you can definitely still promote the specials you have going on your social media channels. So what I'm about to tell you and the cadence can apply for both social media and for email. And if you have both, do it across all of your channels. As Thanksgiving approaches this week, make sure you're sending out messages and posts that are going to entice your customers to the VIP specials that you have coming up. And if you have that email list, make sure you're sending out VIP only discounts to them. Let them know it's just for them. That will make them feel very special and will engender some serious brand loyalty. So, when should you send out these messages? When should you create these posts? You can go ahead and create them all now and schedule them to post and schedule the emails to send. I would send out at least 2 on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. On Black Friday, send one out early morning, midday, and in the evening. And if you're doing Small Business Saturday, make sure you send something out early morning on Saturday and in the afternoon. On Sunday, make sure you're sending out those teasers for Cyber Monday. Send one out in the morning and another one in the evening. On Cyber Monday, send something out first thing in the morning and in the afternoon. Don't wait till evening. And the afternoon one, make sure that you're letting them know this is their last chance to take advantage of the Cyber Monday deal. So if you missed the boat on setting up your Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, it's not too late. You can still set up your coupons and you can still set up those promotions. The promotions only need 24 hours notice before they go live. So you can get those going right now. So I hope this has been helpful. Get yourself going, get these coupons and promotions firing, and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming content during this holiday season. Happy Black Friday!